Good morning. Let's see what we get today from this little garden. It's beautiful golden light in the morning. These guys, they got something to eat also from here. And now I'm going to see what I get for myself. Alright, so that's little mulberry plant which is full of fruits right now, as you can see, and we can eat from this on absolutely daily basis. It's, as you can see, it's absolutely full of these fruits. All right, this is what you get. It's pretty handful, and I'm planning to make a smoothie out of this. Maybe add some yogurt to it. Let's wait for it.